8 cloves of garlic. What's this guy thinking? Woo! That's a lot of garlic. Yeah, well, it's Mediterranean, right? That's not going to be raw garlic. It's going to be cooked, so it's all good. The one tip I have to tell you that if you're having garlic, make sure both you and your spouse have garlic because it's an aphrodisiac. Did you know that? Yeah, as long as you both have it, it's an aphrodisiac. Only one of you have it, it's a prophylactic every time. You'll be sleeping on the couch, baby, let me tell you. All right, so let's prep this garlic. 8 cloves. What you want to do, it says they're finely minced or crushed into a paste. So you can take your knife and chop them all up, or you can use, this is one of my favorites, by Joseph the Garlic Rocker, and you press it on there like that, and you squish each clove. Or my favorite press, I'm gonna use this tonight actually, my Zyliss garlic press, and we're gonna press that into a pulp, and we're gonna add it to our dish. But let's prep these first, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut off that little hard bit. See that hard bit on there? You can break your tooth on that. So let's take every single one of the 8 cloves and go through, cut that hard bit off. 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 8. Get rid of that hard bit. We don't want that hard bit, right? Go through, and then we're going to do something really fun. We're gonna take out our frustrations on this garlic and smack it with the side of the knife. Just get all our skins and hard bits over there. Here we go. Whack. Whack each one like that. And you'll find that the skins just fall right off. Sometimes 2 whacks if they're big, but watch this. And we'll just knock it off. We'll put all our skins on this side, all our flesh on this side. I have a big pile of flesh over here on your board. Garlic flesh, folks, garlic flesh, not your fingers, all right? If you are using, somebody had a question as well, if you are using, like, let's say a garlic puree, or maybe you have pre-minced garlic or whatever, you can measure it out by estimating 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic equals, or minced garlic equals 1 clove approximately. Obviously, some are bigger sizes than others. And now we could go through and we could just cut it all, but I'm gonna want this really, really fine for my dish. So I'm going to take my garlic press, and here's what I want you to do if you're using garlic press it directly into the bowl. Don't press it on the board and then have to scrape it off and then put it in there, because you're gonna lose some of the juices obviously on the board. So just press it and press it right into your dish of ingredients, your bowl. Put it all right in there. And that way you're capturing every drop of that beautiful garlic juice in your dish. Awesome. And this Zyliss garlic press also comes with a little plunger, which I'll show you in a minute, that helps you clean out that basket in there. Take your knife, shave off, give it a little haircut, and then take the little plunger it comes with, see that? It's a little teeth on there, and plunge it in there to push it all out. And it comes with a little scraper on that side, and take your scraper. That way you get every last bit of garlic out of your press. Great. Put that in the sink full of soapy water. No dishwasher for your Zyliss press. No dishwasher. Hand wash only, folks. Hand wash only. I guess the hinge or whatever doesn't like the dishwasher, and it weakens it over time. So hand wash for your Zyliss press.